If you're looking for a quiet printer, this information may help you. This is a Creality K2 Plus, Anycubic Kobra S1. Check this out. If you want a quiet printer, the Kobra S1 is on quieter side, but quite annoying sound of the motors and extruder. You hear that retraction. It is quite annoying. But let's check out the Creality K2 Plus. You probably can hear now the Kobra S1 here, but Creality, I mean, I can sleep near this machine. It is super quiet. Like at the moments I come here, look at glass to check if it is working at all. Let's open the door. You can hear it now, but the glass is dampening, sounds nearly 100%. Really amazing. And again, we jump to Kobra S1 and we hear the Kobra is having problem with door bending. It is on every unit. I had few. If this was the glass, it could be better, but not much. The extruder is really loud and the motors are quite loud, which is not the case with K2 Plus. Just my 2 cents regarding the sound. Subscribe. See ya.